Hi there, students. Did you ever see the phrase a tote bag? And did you ever wonder what that tote means? Well, to tote means to carry something around, to carry around with you. So, I've been toting around my rucksack all day. I went to the supermarket and then I had to tote all the shopping home. So to tote, to carry something around, particularly something heavy and awkward. Very often I've seen this word used with guns. So a gun toting bodyguard or a gun toting security man. Yeah, or there were soldiers toting machine guns, carrying around, yeah, carrying with you, yeah. Very often to tote around, you're carrying it, you're dragging it with you. It's got the idea of carrying something heavy, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to tote home everything that I can now, to convey, to take home, to drag home. So your tote bag, that tote, it just means a carry bag. Yeah, I guess you could use the word a tote talking about a load or a burden, but I think most normally for me to tote, to carry, but you've got to carry it in your hands, to lug around. Yeah, so I've been toting this tote bag all day. I've been toting around this tote bag. Yeah, I've been carrying it, but especially for a gun. So you're carrying something in a way that everyone can see it. The area is full of camera toting tourists who are taking photographs of everything. Yeah. Or maybe a traffic warden toting her pen and pad of fines, yeah, carrying. There was a line of truncheon-toting policemen, a truncheon, something to hit people with, yeah, or students who are toting books back from the library, yeah. So I think if you tote something around, you're saying, poof, I've got to carry this heavy thing around. Now notice as well, as a noun, we have the tote, normally capitalized T, and this is something from betting. If you go to a race course, you can either put your bet with a bookie who will give you specific odds, 20 to 1, 7 to 2. But there is also normally the tote, and the tote is normally organised by the racetrack. And this, the payout, the money that you will get if your bet is a winning bet, it depends on the total amount of money bet. Yeah, it doesn't depend on the odds, it depends on the total. Yeah, so if there were 10 people who bet on this horse and there was a total of £1,000 bet on all of the different horses, then each person will get 100. Well, slightly less because the tote is going to take their cut as well. Okay, so it's like a system of a mutual system of betting where all of the money's put into a pool and then all of the winning bets are paid equally out of that pool. Okay, so a tote bag, a carry bag, a tote, a heavy burden, to tote something around, yeah? So I've been toting around my computer all day because I didn't dare leave it anywhere, yeah? And then I guess tote as well, short for total, yeah? Okay, so tote, to tote around. This is informal. I think I would give this a 4 informality. Use in an informal or semi-formal conversation, but probably no more. And then as to origin, it probably comes from Middle Low German, Tote, yeah, a horn or a paper bag, yeah, something to a cone, a conical bag to carry things around with. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To tote around, a tote bag.